At, uy, napatid. At yun, pagkapatid, natamaan sa mukha ito si Carlos Sharma. Elterbrand, in and out ang kanyang 3-point attempt. Here's Topex Robinson, dire-diretso, naibigay pa kay Sharma. At napaganda pa no? On the way down na itong si Topex Robinson at the last second, nakita pa niya si Sharma.
Ito, yung sasabi mo at the last second, at hindi mo matatawag na fast break points, but those are the points that come in bago pa makaset yung defense nitong Barangay Ginebra sa half-court defense nila, at nagsascramble pa some of the players. And Red Bull is, well, one of the teams that really take advantage of that.
And it's now only down to 2 points para dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Ito na si Sunday. Sunday fades away. Wala. And they get it back. Elterbrand. Nalibre si Salvacion. May pasipa-sipa pa si Topex Robinson.
Kala mo rockstar.
Oo. Rayback goes closer. Pinigay kay Sharma and they tie this ballgame at 34.
You can say they've crawled their way back into this ball game. And it's really hard work and teamwork. Kaya nakabalik ngayon itong red shirts ng Red Bull Barako.
You have to give credit dito sa mga guys coming off the bench para sa Red Bull. And ito na naman, Topex Robinson, one of those guys. Ito rin isa, Carlos Sharma, side-stepping move. Awkward looking move for... Kasi kay Carlos Sharma, you have to give him the ball. Patira na talaga 2 steps away. Masyadong maaga yung pasa na yon for him.
You put him in an awkward situation, 3 or 4 steps away from the basket. Dapat yung point guard na yung off guard, malaman din yung kanyang strength, So it's not all Sharma's fault.
Ito na naman, almost a steal. Elterbrand dives for it. Artadi libre from the side. Umanog. Agawan ng bola, napunta kay Rayback. Lead pass to Topex Robinson. Robinson. Behind the back pass. Uy naman! Ang ganda ngayon ng teamwork. Ito Red Bull, and it has been this guy, Topex Robinson. And this guy, the veteran, Junti Valenzuela, conniving for Red Bull. Makikita natin dito. Wow! I give him a degree of difficulty para sa gymnast dun Behind the back pass pa. And this should make it to our top place for the year 2008 agad.
Oo.
Diba?
Isama mo na yun, At kompleto ang 3-point play ni Topex Robinson. Topex already with 9 points. Yun, tama yung sinabi mo, Richard. Yung second unit nitong Red Bull Barako ang pumapatay ngayon para sa Barangay Ginebra.
And this is the first taste of the lead yan para sa Red Bull. Pero ito, Billy Mamaril nakapuntos ulit agad. Nalibre naman si Rayback. Yes, at i-impress atin ni Michael Rayback. At ngayon, biglang gumaganda na field goal shooting nitong Red Bull here in the second quarter. Sunday. Looking for Mamaril. He has been hot for Barangay Ginebra. Mamaril, hook shot. Supalpal ni Mike Rayback sa help defense. And you know, that energy of this unit ni Coach Yeng Giao has brought them back in this ball game. It started with good defense. Marami sila nakuha mga turnovers. And nagtuloy-tuloy na. Nahawa na yung opensa nila.
And you really can't fault the transition defense nitong Barangay Ginebra dahil nakakababa naman sila, napipigil yung fast break. Ang problema lang, masyadong magaling itong Red Bull Barako in the open court, and they really pounce on those situations. Kaya naman sila nakakuha ng lamang ngayon.
Back in the ball game is Ronald Tubid. Anong problema dito ng Barangay Ginebra as Topex Robinson takes a rest. Nasa penalty na po itong Ginebra. A little under 8 minutes ang natitira pa dito sa ating second quarter. Here's Tubid. Eric Meng also back in. Pupose dito si Tubid, hindi na ibigay. Elterbrand, 8 seconds sa shot clock dito ng Ginebra. Eric Meng faces up. Eric Meng, 3 seconds to shoot. JJ Elterbrand.
Yung mga kanina pumapasok para sa Barangay Ginebra in the first quarter, having a hard time here in the second.
Para bumangga sa pader dun si Junti Valenzuela. He was blocked by Billy Mamaril.
quite obvious that foul, ano? Para kay Billy Mamaril.
And Junti Valenzuela, well, he is the second leading scorer para sa Red Bull this conference, averaging a shade under 14 points a ball game.
Well, most of the time, ano, hindi sila magkasabay. A lot of the times, hindi sila magkasabay ni Cyrus Baguio.
Aba, kita naman ang 3-point play in reverse for Junti Valenzuela.
That's a 22 to 6 second quarter.
Wow. Biglang nabuhayan ang Red Bull, no? Here's Sunday. Punta kay Tubid. Tubid against Duncil. Tubid is blocked. He gets it back. 7 seconds of shot clock. Eric Meg still short. Tumatakbo dito ang Red Bull. Napunta kay Duncil. Yes! Everybody doing his share para dito sa Red Bull.
And everything going well para sa Red Bull Barako. May halong swerte itong Red Bull Barako team here in the second quarter.
Sino ngayon ang pupuntahan ng Ginebra? They go to JJ Helterbrand. Breezes past yung si Warren Ibanez.
And they can afford that. Only the second team foul para sa Red Bull. Warren Ibanez being the third point guard to enter para sa Red Bull Barako.
Well, Red Bull made the necessary adjustments. Kanina pinapatay sila nung high screen play ng Barangay Ginebra, and they were controlling the boards. Ito, every shot is a tough shot ngayon para dito sa Ginebra. Junti Valenzuela makes his move. Valenzuela kicks it out. Sharma, top of the key. Rebound goes to Sunday.
Nagmimintis din pala ito.
Oo nga eh.
Kanina pang hindi nagmimintis itong Red Bull.
Hey! Out! Para dito kay JJ Helterbrand. Finally, may nakuha sila sa kanilang opensa. At kanina pang ang gusto nitong fans ng Barangay Ginebra to explode. Binigyan siya ng dahilan dito ni JJ Helterbrand. At nakumpleto niya ang kanyang 3-point play. Helterbrand meron ng 11 points sa ating laro.
After a high of 11 points, ano, yung lamang itong Red Bull. Baba na naman.
Ito naman, Sunday, wala pa rin ang kanyang layup. Tutok na. Counter fast break dito para sa Red Bull. Valenzuela took his time.
Yun yung nangyayari, ano? Sa kabila, tutok na yung fast break. Si Valenzuela on the other side fumbles the ball but recovers and gets the 2 points.
Ito yung high screen play ng Barangay Ginebra, was very effective for them back in the first quarter. At ito na ngayon ang ginagamit ulit ni JJ Helterbrand. Actually, nung lumabas itong si JJ Helterbrand dahil nahapungan, napagod eh. No? Doon biglang bubaksak yung laro ng Barangay Ginebra.
In that span, Richard, in the first quarter alone, si Helterbrand, we were talking about yung graphics natin para kay Eric Meg. Pero ito si Helterbrand had 8 points and 4 assists, being the catalyst, creating for his teammates like Eric Meg. Another possession na yun.
Pero counter steal dito ng Red Bull, Cyrus Baguio. And he was pushed out. Sabi ni referee Fonji Aldaba. Penalty na nga po itong Barangay Ginebra. Si Helterbrand, pang ilang taon na yan? Pangalawa. Ito yun naitulak raw palabas itong si Cyrus Baguio. Kaya siya nag-arrow out. Nick Penisi checking back in for Carlos Sharma.
Correction, Richard, it's only the first foul.
First foul lamang para kay JJ Helterbrand.
And only a split para kay Cyrus Baguio. Back to a double-digit advantage.
Ang bilis no? Kanina, they were down by 13. Ngayon, labang na. Ng 10 itong Red Bull.
Talk about the momentum shift, Kanina, lahat ng itira nitong Barangay Ginebra pumapasok sa first quarter. Pagdating dito sa second quarter, the momentum shift occurred. And everything Red Bull is throwing up seems to meet the net.
And Eric Meg, naging mainit nga po siya. Back in the first quarter, he already scored 11 points. and grabbed 8 rebounds.